Welcome to the Louisville Metro Revenue Commission's tutorial on how to gain third-party access to a client's tax account on EMINTS. This request is limited to third-party logons, and you must have the third-party access code provided to you by your client. Please note all tax information used in this demonstration is fictitious and for instructional purposes only. To get started, we'll navigate to our EMINTS homepage and use our third-party username and password to get logged in. And once you get logged in, you'll see a list of the clients you already have access to or a search bar to search for your client. So you'll see I only have access to one client. So from the Accountant Center is where we can request access to our new client. So we're going to grant that third-party access. This is the introduction step of where you'll see what you need. Again, you need that access code from your client. And we'll click Next. And we can go ahead and enter that access code and click Next again. And then you're going to enter your password as your signature, just as proof. And you can click Submit, and your confirmation screen displays. Once you click OK, to navigate back to the logged in EMINTS home screen, you can just click the Metro Integrated Tax System link. And now you can see that I have access to my new client.